Everybody, thanks for checking out the channel and the organization. If you're on the website or on YouTube, it's the A.O.U. Amandla Of Umgwamanda Foundation. Hope everybody who viewed the police department interview with the Phoenix Police Department got some information and you know just had a good watch of what it may be. Thanks to Mr. Holmes and the Phoenix Police Department for being very active within the community, and the A.O.U. Foundation trying to do something with the Tempe Police Department. Still in talks, trying to talk to the right people down there. It's taking longer than anticipated. And we were going to do something with Whole Foods, but Whole Foods doesn't allow foundations to um, do things within their stores, so they kind of fell through. Maybe try another health food outlook, something. Maybe try Sprouts, Sprouts Farmers Market. I'll try them and see if we can do something with them. Because the Whole Foods thing doesn't look like it's going to happen because of their policies. Right now, it's about 5:20 in Arizona right now. The 28th today, Friday the 28th. About to go hand out some flyers, inform some more marginalized communities of our organization and what we do. Um, so if anybody out there viewing this, check us out, support. We're trying to better community so we can have more marginalized individuals who are self-sufficient, and that relays over back in the community. So that's what our focus is from a holistic perspective. So check us out, look for updates, sign up, become a member. Maybe you can support financially, support. It's going to a great cause. Any kind of questions you need or have, we're very open. If you can support by items, if you have a computer that you don't need any longer that's working and you want to donate it, that's fine. If you got some materials that are beneficial for what we're doing, you know, more than welcome. Time, apprenticeship, you got another resource that we can use and incorporate, or with what we're doing in the platforms that we're doing. If you got some stuff that can add on to those platforms, um, do it. We appreciate it. Conversations. If you need to have a conversation about what we're doing, besides the information on the website and the past videos, we're more than welcome to accommodate that. So check us out. I'm about to go pass out some flyers, inform the marginalized community, try to get them proactive, and et cetera, et cetera. And I also got an upcoming interview with the vice mayor in October. At the end of October, he said he's pretty busy, so I gotta wait until the end of the month in October. And I got another interview with a council member in Tempe, Arizona. So that's going to happen on the 6th. If anybody has any questions they would like to get answered, if you're in the Maricopa area in Tempe, or just a general question, um, more than welcome. Just put it in the mailbox or something, not in literally the mailbox, but in the YouTube mailbox, or you can send something. I accidentally stopped the recording, but yeah, you can email us or send them, put some in the inbox, or become a member on the A.O.U. website. I'll put the information down here somewhere, or somewhere in here in the little box. But yeah, support the truth, and let's make it happen. So love, power, respect, etc., etc.